Welcome to Pinterest, a digital content library. Let's get started. What's Pinterest for? This social platform has multiple uses, and these are the main features that Pinterest offers to their users. It's a source of inspiration and information. Pinterest stores thousands of infographics, photos, designs, etc. And you can find content on any topic that you're interested in. That includes recipes, fashion, projects for your home, and I can tell you that the librarians use Pinterest on a daily basis. We get programming ideas, design ideas for the library, and it's just a useful tool that we use all the time. If you own an online or physical store, Pinterest is a great place to create a product catalog. It's a great place to organize all your ideas on your different Pinterest boards, and it's a one-stop shop. You can go there and find your areas of interest and access what you pinned. It's a great place. And it's for entertainment too. If you have some free time, log into Pinterest and just have fun. Let's learn the basic language of Pinterest. Pinterest pins. A pin is a visual representation of a product. A pin can include three elements: an image, a link, and a description. A repin means to share another person's pin on your board. You must tap the Save button to repin, and I will show you how to do that later on in this tutorial. What are Pinterest boards? A board includes several pins, and the main purpose of a board is to classify ideas by topics. You can have individual boards that contain your own pins and pins from other people. You can have a group board, and it's like a regular board, except the owner can invite collaborators to pin on that board. And then you can create secret boards that's only visible to you. This is the library Pinterest account, and as you can see, we have boards already set up. We have our image right here. We have our information here. Board examples, like I spoke, you can have an individual board. This is our Parade of Scarecrows board that we had this program back in September of 19, and we had so many great community scarecrows and businesses that took part in our parade, so I made a board that had all the photos of all the scarecrows. Now this is an example of a group board, and this is where you could have this board on your Pinterest page, but others could collaborate with it. This one is where is your favorite place to read. That's one of them. So many collaborators could be on that one, and this one's also on our library page, Pinterest page. Let's find out how to create a Pinterest account. So you want to go to Pinterest.com and then select sign up if you don't have a Pinterest account. You have the option of signing up with an email address, password, or signing up through your Facebook or Google account. And most people have those anymore. So you will enter your email address to create a password and select continue. Once you do that, alternatively, select continue with Facebook and log into your Facebook account, or select continue with Google and log into your Google account. You'll receive a welcome to Pinterest message, and then you'll select next, answer the setup questions, select some areas of interest, and select done. So this is where you'll see welcome to Pinterest, and then you'll be able to choose your interests, and then you'll click done. Then you want to check your email address that you provided to the Pinterest setup, asking you to confirm your email address. Your Pinterest account is set up and you're ready to start browsing and pinning. First, you'll want to edit your profile. Once you're registered, the next step will create and edit a profile to make you stand out from other people. choose a username and add an image for your profile. Like I showed you on the Greentown Public Library Pinterest page, we have a picture of the library. You can add details you want in that section about you as well. Ours is our mission statement, I believe. If you use the same username and photo on Pinterest that you do with other social platforms, people who already know you will be able to find you easier. Now you're ready to create. Click the Create Board plus sign, and that's right here. Yours will be blank if you've never created a board, but that's where you'll start. You'll want to name the board and then click Create. Once you name and create the board, right here, click Save. Pinterest will offer you different pin suggestions. The board that we'll be working with here is Celebrities Read. So when I created that board, it automatically went out and found pictures of celebrities who have books in their hands that I could add to my board. And yours will vary based on the topic that you named your board. Now, to add those suggested pins, click the Save button on the preferred pin. This one right here is a celebrity. I forget his name, but you say, and then once you click Save, it saves to the created board. And it knows which board to save to because it is suggesting pins for that particular board. Now, how do you add pins from a file on your computer? You click the plus sign in the upper right corner and choose Create Pin, and it's kind of hidden, so I've got a arrow showing you where to find it. And then you click, and it says click and drag and drop to upload a picture from file. So once you click into that, it's going to access your computer files on your PC. Now, once you do that, you choose the file from the computer that you want. I already uploaded a picture of Julia Roberts reading, so that was already in my files, so I'm pointing to that. And then I went ahead and inserted the file photo into the pin. You'll want to name the pin. I named it Julia Roberts because it's Julia Roberts. And then you want to choose your destination board from a drop-down box. So once you go over here, it's going to give you a list of all the boards that you've created, and you might just have that one if you haven't, but once you get several boards, this will fill up. And you want to scroll through and find the board that you want to save your pin to. And this particular board is called Celebrities Read, and then you want to click Publish. You just created a pin. Now, I don't mess too much with promoting the pin. You can go here where it says See Your Pin, and it'll take you right to your board to view it. The board is viewable on your Pinterest page. So you can see here, here's with the libraries, it added the new board, Celebrities Read. And if you look to, the board contains the suggested pin and the pin uploaded from your file. So you have two pins in that particular board. How do you repin from another Pinterest page? You can go on other people's boards, and I think of it as not copyright issues or anything. It's not recreating the wheel. Pinterest is good about that. So you go to, if you find a pin on somebody else's Pinterest page and you want to pin it to a board on your Pinterest page, find the pin you want to save to your board. And in this case, I found another library that had a Celebrity Reads board. I think it was called Read with Celebrities, and they had all these pictures. So I would like to add Shirley Temple reading, cute little girl in her day, to my board. So I'm pointing to that pin. That's the one I want to save to my board. Then you want to click the Save to choose the destination board from the drop-down menu. And once you do that on Shirley Temple's picture here, this menu drops down, and then you just choose the board, Celebrities Read, or whatever topic you chose and whatever pin you're wanting to put to your destination board, and click to save the pin. The pin is now part of your Pinterest collection. And as you can see, there's our suggested pin, there's our pin from our computer file, and there's a pin from another entity's Pinterest board. Now, you can also add pins from the web. In this case, let's pin from Google Images. So I just Googled celebrities reading and it come up with all these images, and then clicked Images instead of all. And then I wanted to look through here, and once I found the desired pin, I went, and if you look, I'm going to save this one that the arrow is pointing to, and then you want to click Save on the pin that you chose. Then it's going to drop down when you push Save to give you a list of your boards. Choose your destination board, click Save, and then view the pin. As you can see here, the pin is now part of your Pinterest collection. We have our suggested pin, we have our pin from our computer file, we have our pin from another entity's Pinterest page, and we have a pin from the web. I think that is all in this tutorial, and I think you're ready to go. But if you have any questions about this or need help, call 765-628-3534 and ask for me. I'm Mindy. Or email mindy.hobensack@eastern.k12.in.us, and we'll figure it out together and I'll help you. Happy pinning!